Swag.
Vlogmas day 9, wash day. Let's go. He don't take no cash, no coin, man. It's card only. Now I left my card at home, so we finna go to this other car wash up the road. No cash, no coin. Imagine how much money he losing because he don't accept cash and coin. Like, if you a self-serve car wash, you should accept any form of payment. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get that chicken. But hey, it is what it is. On to the next. I might as well go ahead and vacuum myself. Fire. $2 to start minimum. Give me my coins, my chicken. Don't you shortchange me, buddy. Right on these car washes. Look at this guy.
My man right here, he's doing his thing, you know what I'm saying? I like that little video hookup you got going on, boss. So, you know, keep it up. Hey, I'm gonna get purchase one of those.